you so popular, be my formula, may I call you a celeb?
Section 1. Right foot, side, left behind with right foot, knee pop, quarter turn shuffle step. Right foot, side together, right quarter turn forward. Left foot, forward rock, recover. Half turn shuffle step, left half turn left foot, step together, step, facing 9 o'clock. Section on count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Right foot, forward step, left pivot quarter turn, hip rolling. Right foot forward, left quarter turn, hip rolling. Right foot, cross, left foot cross, back, side, facing 3 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right foot, side, knee swivel, left, right, left, right, left, right with left foot flick. Left side, knee swivel, right, left, right, left, right, left with right foot flick, facing 3 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4. Right diagonal right foot, forward together touch. Left foot back together touch. Right foot forward step, left pivot, half turn. Camel walk, right foot forward, left knee pop with shoulder pop. Left foot forward, right knee pop with shoulder pop, facing 9 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.